Bulgur wheat soup. Thinly slice 2 medium-sized green peppers. Skin and dice 1 medium-sized tomato. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and 1 tablespoon of butter together in a saucepan. Sauté the onion until it begins to brown. When the onions are browned, add 60 grams of Bulgur wheat and the sliced green peppers. Sauté for another 4 to 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree to the pan and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 dessertspoon of chilli flakes, 1 dessertspoon of thyme, 1 dessertspoon of mint, 1 dessertspoon of salt and the diced tomatoes. Give the ingredients a good stir. Add 1,200 milliliters of hot water, cover the pan and cook for 10 more minutes. Serve the soup steaming hot.